This problem is asking us for the ratio of the speed of sound in a certain gas to the RMS speed of the molecules in that same gas. Now the problem does not give... There are two formulas we'll need for this problem that the problem does not give us, but both of these formulas are given in most textbooks, or they're just common enough that they can be easily looked up. They are the formula for the speed of sound within a gas, which is equal to this specific heat ratio gamma times the gas constant R times the temperature divided by the molarity of the gas, and all of that is in a square root. And then the RMS speed of the molecules in the gas is equal to, again in a square root, 3 times the gas constant times the temperature divided by the molarity. Now since we're looking for the ratio of one to the other, let's set up a divisional fraction here. So here's what the basic ratio should look like. But now we'll have to do some math to actually find the value of the ratio. First of all, since both of these terms have RT over M, they can just be cancelled out of both sides of the equation. And since they're both in a square root, this can just become the square root of gamma divided by 3. Now the gamma factor for this particular gas is not given to us, but the definition of that gamma factor is that it's the ratio of the molar specific heat at constant pressure divided by the molar specific heat at constant volume. So I'll substitute that in for gamma in this formula. So we end up with the square root of C sub P divided by 3 times C sub V. Now in the context of this particular problem, we don't know what C sub P actually is, but we do know that the value of C sub P is always equal to C sub V plus R. So we can replace that now. So this is what we end up for that. Now it's time to actually start plugging values in. The problem tells us that for the case of this problem, C sub V, the specific heat at constant volume, is equal to 5.0 times R. So let's substitute that in. Now to simplify a little further, let's add these two R terms together. So 5R plus R is just going to be 6R. And the 3 and the 5 can multiply together for 15R. So now the R's can cancel out more easily in this term. And we can simplify the 6 and the 15 by dividing both the numerator and the denominator here by 3, which gives us 2 over 5. And now at last, this is our ratio as far down as we can possibly simplify it. The only thing left we can do now is put in our calculator if we want a decimal place answer, which gives us an answer of about 0.63. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or if anything was unclear, please leave a comment down below and I will try to help you as best I can. If you have any further requests for future videos or you'd like to talk more about this problem in general, I have a Discord server linked in the description down below. Thank you very much and have a good day.